what's up guys? Welcome back to Siblings Crafts. On today's video, we'll be making one of these. It's a cardboard holder for anything, basically. It's really helpful and you can keep all your stuff, whatever you want to keep in here. And it's just helps keep your room tidy. So anyways, let's get on with the video. The one we'll be making is this one. It's a bit small. It's got 2 holes in it. It's good, but you can also make a bigger one like this. It's got 3, and it has room for a lot more stuff. The things you'll be needing for this craft are some boxes. We use pasta boxes because we're trying to make a smaller one, but you can use 3 or 4 boxes in a row, or some cereal boxes if you want to make yours bigger. You'll need glue.
You'll need a marker and a ruler.
Some tape, maybe we're using duct tape. A pair of scissors. And
my most favorite wrapping paper.
First thing you need to do is put the 2 boxes together and draw a line like this. Go ahead. Nice. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now connect the lines on both sides of both boxes. Like that. And like that. Now once you have this line going all around, you can take a pair of scissors and just cut exactly on that line. After cutting, your boxes should look like this. The next step is you have to glue them together. I just want to pause the craft video for a second and show Samreen's amazing masterpieces. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's so good, isn't it? After you've glued them together, it's time for some wrapping paper.
My most favorite wrapping paper.
Yeah, we got this for a friend's birthday party when you were 3 or something.
I got it when I was 3.
You loved it then and you love it now. So anyways,
I love the pictures on it.
Yeah, they're pretty good, right? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to see exactly how much you need and cover all sides. The sides, the back, the front. You don't need to cover the insides or the bottom because nobody's really gonna see those, right? Once you've put the wrapping paper all around it, like this, then you can take some duct tape or any tape if you want, it just has to be colored, right? And you can put it at all the edges, like this. It makes it look a lot better. See, and you just put it on all the edges, including here, if there's a space, ours has a space, so we'll put it here too. And remember to put it all through here, and the top, and over here too. Once you've covered all the edges and put the tape wherever else you want it, you're done. And you can start filling it up. I'm gonna put some twisters in here and some of these papers. And I'll put this on my desk. This is a smaller one, and this is the one that I showed earlier. You see, it's filled up. It has a lot of storage. It's 3 levels high, right? You can put a lot of important stuff in here. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy our fun and easy to make crafts, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more of our future content. Unfortunately, Samreen got a little bit, bored, I guess. So I'll be saying bye on her behalf too. So bye! and we'll see you on our next video.